Hello everyone! Today, we will explore the volume of a cylinder, what it means, how to find it, and how to apply it in real-life problems. Let's dive in. So first, what is a volume? Volume is the amount of space an object occupies. It's measured in cubic units like cubic centimeters or cubic meters. A cylinder is a three-dimensional shape consisting of two parallel circular bases joined by a curved surface. So here are some of the examples. We have here the Bluetooth speaker, gas, battery, and a water tank. Now, how do we find the volume of a cylinder? We can think that a cylinder is a stack of circles. So let's have here a figure for cylinder. First, find the area of the base circle. And the formula for the area of the base circle is the area is equal to pi r squared. And then, so the area for the base circle is pi r squared. Take note that the measurement should be in radius. So if this is your diameter, half of it is your radius. So you have to measure only half of it. Okay, so that will be your radius. And then, next thing that we need to do is to multiply it by the height. So this one is your height. So therefore, the volume is equal to the base area times the height. So in symbols, we have pi r squared times height. So we will be using this formula in calculating the cylinder, the volume of a cylinder. So let's try some examples. First, find the volume of a cylinder with radius 5 centimeters and height of 10 centimeters. So again, let's write the formula. Volume is equal to pi r squared times height. So we have volume is equal to pi. Let's change r with 5 and then square times the height, which is 10 centimeters. So volume is equal to pi. 5 times 5 is 25 times 10. Next, volume again, copy pi. What is 25 times 10? And that is 250. So, it can be written as volume is equal to 250 pi cubic centimeters. Or, instead of using pi, we can use the value for pi, which is 3.14, multiply it to 250, and that will give you 785 cubic centimeters. So for example number 1, we have 785 cubic centimeters. Next example, number 2. A cylinder has a radius of 7 meters and a height of 4 meters. So let's have the volume is equal to pi r squared times h. So let's have the formula. Volume is equal to pi r squared h. So next, copy pi, then change the value of r into 7 squared times the height is 4 meters. Then, copy again pi. 7 times 7 is 49 times 4. So what is 49 times 4? So that is 196 pi cubic meters. So if we substitute the value for pi, which is 3.14, multiply it to 196, and that will give you, so the answer for number 2 is 615.44 cubic meters. A cylindrical can has a diameter of 12 centimeters and a height of 15 centimeters. Find its volume. Take note that the given here is diameter. And for our formula, we use pi r squared h. So we need to get first the radius before we substitute it to the volume. So for the formula of r, or the radius, you have to divide d by 2. That is 12 divided by 2. That is equal to 6. So we use 6 to replace r here. So 6 squared times h is 15. So the volume is equal to 6 times 6 is 36 times 15. Volume is equal to 36 times 15. That is 540 pi. Don't forget the unit, cubic centimeters. Or if we use the 3.14, let's multiply it by 3.14. That is approximately 1,695.6 cubic centimeters. Okay? And that's the secret of finding the volume of a cylinder. First, find the area of the base using pi r squared. Then, multiply that base area with the height of the cylinder. It's straightforward, practical, and something you can apply in real-life situations. From figuring out how much liquid a container can hold to estimating the space inside a tank. Keep practicing, and before long, calculating cylinder volumes will feel as natural as counting. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow our page, Math Teacher Gon. God bless everyone.